Orange creamsicle cookies. Combine the flour, baking powder, sugar, and orange jelly in a large bowl and whisk it together till fully combined. Add the softened butter and large eggs and mix until a cookie dough forms. Add in the white chocolate chips and fold them in. Take some cookie dough and roll it into balls and place on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. That's it. Super easy, delicious, and flavorful. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and share. It really helps, and we'll see you in the next video.